The sheriff's office told us that if we did not close up, we would be arrested under the gambling statute of the Florida Revised Code, Florida statute, and then all my equipment would be seized, and we would be charged under the RICO Act for racketeering and gambling.
What we did was originally we went in at the cyber cafes. We did an undercover investigation in there. We brought the results to the state attorney's office, who advised us that that was gambling. Therefore, we were able to get an arrest warrant and get a search warrant based on that investigation and based on the state attorney's determination that was in fact gambling. After that, we made the arrest, we did the search warrant, seized the gambling equipment.
We were already registered with the Department of Agriculture. We registered each terminal. We had 50 terminals at $100 a piece. We also posted a $10,000 cash bond. We bought a surety bond, which they required in the amount of the sweepstakes for $189,000 at a total cost to me of a little less than $20,000.
All we can do is observe how the games are played and take our findings to the state attorney's office. The state attorney is the one who actually determines if it's gambling or not, based on the attorney general's findings. They determined that it was gambling, therefore it becomes a criminal activity, regardless of whether the games are licensed. Do you understand the difference? Just because they're licensed doesn't make them legal.
We filed to get an injunction to get the county sheriff and the state attorney's office to cease and desist this harassment and this gangster style law enforcement. We're legitimate business people here in this county, and we want to be treated accordingly. This is not a police state. We've since shifted gears to have a tenant in this property. Now it's going to be Daryl's Diner. It's opening Thursday morning. But in the interim, if we resolve this issue over the sweepstakes, we'll reopen in one of our other locations. There were 50 terminals total. They were individual terminals, so people could come in and surf the internet, and we could sell internet time, and they could play the sweepstakes if they cared to, at no charge.
It's not a sweepstake, it's just actually gambling.
We have 2 eggs, and all the eggs are served with grits and toast. We have bacon, sausage, or ham, and we also have biscuits and gravy, pancakes, waffles. Okay, now there's the front. Daryl's Doggone Good Dinner, or Diner, sorry. Daryl's Doggone Good Diner.
I didn't actually conduct the undercover investigation. Agents that work for me did. They observed it, they documented it, and they responded to the state attorney's office and met with one of the attorneys, and at that point they deemed that it was actually gambling.